Commissioner for Roads and Bridges, Ethan Uzamere, on Tuesday 12th December, joined body with different construction companies go do some check on the bad Benin Abraka Road wey don dey under construction and expansion. Una go remember say Honourable Ethan Uzamere join body with the Federal Minister of Works, Honourable David Umahi, Kari Waka with Tori people for the month of October 2023, go do check for the bad road and come make dem promise to do palliative to reduce the suffering for the people. Now this one come make Honourable Ethan Uzamere and team Kari Waka go do check on the Benin Abraka Road and come meet with Reconstruction Nigeria Limited and shuk Engineering Company wey dey in charge of the construction to know about the progress of the road. The full length of this Benin Abraka Road wey dey under construction and expansion na 40.5 kilometers and e dey divided into 3 phases with different construction companies to help them do the road quick and wella. The phase 1A of the road na from Iviakaba community to Okogbo community and the contractor wey dey in charge na Reconstruction Nigeria Limited. The project length na 15.5 kilometers and the width of the road na 10.3 meters. The part where dem do asphalt by that cost, the length na 12.1 kilometers and the wearing cost na 1.4 kilometers. Drainages where dem don construct na 3.62 kilometers and the percentage of the work where dem don do na 66.7% and contractors still dey on site dey work. The second phase will be phase 1B, start from Okogbo community to Idunwina community and the contractor in charge na still Reconstruction Nigeria Limited. The project length na 7.5 kilometers. The part where dem do asphalt by that cost na 1.5 kilometers and the percentage of work where dem don do na 10% and the contractors still dey work on site. The phase 1C start from Idunwina community to Ugo Junction and the contractors wey dey in charge na shuk Engineering Company. The project length na 17.5 kilometers and their present activities for the road na earthworks of about 4.0 kilometers and the contractors dey on site.
Before the beginning of the rains next year,
our plan is to complete the job.
You're only about 10%.
No, 10%? No.
This is not.
No, we complete the job by January.
You're saying that you are guaranteeing now
yes,
that you will complete this before March.
Before the rains.
Rains in March now. February itself now.
April, May we should be out of it.
And this one is 7.5.
7.5.
You have done 2.
And earthwork we have done 2 or 4. And we've done 4. So it's almost 3.5 million each one.
The earthworks of the 3.5 is double the earthworks of what look at the levels.
I agree. Yeah. But you know the benefit is nearby and we can add our college.
Does it reflect in your revised work plan? This completion dates?
Yes, we have a work program.
You need to commit to it in a revised work plan. So we need to see that. It's a part of the contract document.
After the check, Honourable Ethan come yarn our Tori person Ilori Donry John on how far them don go about road construction, how many kilometers and when them they expect to finish the work.
Abraka Rd is one of the legacy projects of His Excellency Mr. Benin Abraka Rd. Because it connects a lot of communities between Edo and all to the border of Delta State. So we are here monitoring and making sure the contractor put up those specifications. Well, this road is broken down into 3 phases. So I think the phase 1 and the phase 2 will be completed sometime next year. We are trying to see what we can do to speed up the pace for the phase 3 part of it as well. Raycon is handling phase 1A and 1B, and shuk is handling the 3rd phase.
Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Roads and Bridges, Ferguson Enabulele, talk say His Excellency Godwin Obaseki dey keen to see say them complete the road and say them too go do their best.
The Honourable Commissioner has summarized it. It's a legacy project of this administration. His Excellency is very keen on seeing to the completion of this project as awarded in the 3 phases, phase 1A, 1B, and 1C. The progress is okay, although we have also expressed our own concerns, which we have related to the contractors. We want the pace accelerated. We want more gang of equipment and personnel introduced. But Although we also know that the rainy season has not been too kind to the construction industry. As we speak, it rained yesterday, and because of global weather change. But we'll see what we can do to fast track the construction. I am satisfied, but it's not as if I'm actually commending the contractor, because for me, if this road can be completed in the next 6 months, the better for me. We have to race against a lot of things. The dollar it has become so rudderless, and most of these construction materials and equipments are directly related to the prices of foreign currency or the dollar per se. So for me, it is okay, but we are going to do more. We have asked the contractors to submit a revised work program in the first week of January, which we'll sit together and review, and we all be committed to it. But so far, so good. It is very good. And on the part of the state government, they have stayed with their commitments financially on this project.
The area manager of Recon and Co Nigeria Limited, Joseph Shidiak, come talk say dem go make sure say dem finish the road before the dry season end.
We are here in phase 1B. Absolutely, this one is 7.5. We are at 2 kilometers done, completed with asphalt. And we have done like 4 kilometer earthwork. And we most likely will finish it before ending of this season. Everything is working well, and we doesn't have any issue.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Balumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.